Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick little sort of tippy tutorial, crafty conundrum kind of thing. So if you do any kind of laminating and you have just one small thing you want to laminate, you have a couple of options. One is you can just cut the laminator sheet if all you have is the full-size ones, or what I'm going to do today is this is a little bit that I want to do, and I'll do a vlog about what I'm doing in the real world, the non-virtual, non-YouTube world. But so what I decided to do was I've pressed some ferns, and like I did in Mrs. Lady Elliot, this is some little flowers. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, so these, you can do the laminator thing sort of as specimen slides if it's just one way to do specimen slides. So I have gone ahead and put these in here, and now I'm just going to laminate. And so let me bring my laminator here, and we'll just go through. I've got a little speck or something in there. Oh well. That'll make it more authentic. Ha ha ha. All right. Anyway, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. There's lots of ways to get that kind of look. But if you have a laminator, this is a good way to do it. And there we go. Viola. So while we're waiting for this, I'll just say that I'm working for a friend whose parents have Alzheimer's, and I'm going to do this one more time. And so oftentimes it's kind of awkward to explain to people, you know, like cashiers or checkout clerks or whatever, that the gentleman I'm with, whoops, has, I'm gonna back this up. All right, well, we'll just let it go all the way through then. It got a little wonky because I didn't, well, another tip on what not to do, and now I'm into 3 minutes with this, so, okay, that's all I got for today, and I'll see you in the next video.